Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to a Zoom meeting. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to connect to a Zoom meeting, you first of all have to open your Zoom Workplace application into your computer. And after opening the application, it will show this page into the application. You just simply have to click into this join button in order to join a meeting that is hosted by others. Otherwise, you just simply have to click into this new meeting in order to host your own meeting into the Zoom. If you create a new meeting, the Zoom meeting will directly be created. But if you want to join a meeting, after clicking into this join button, you have to enter a meeting ID or personal link name. And after that, you can choose these options to connect to the audio or turn off the video. And after entering a meeting ID, this join button will appear. In order to connect to the meeting, you have to click into this join button. And after doing that, it will ask for the password, and after entering the password, you will be joined into the Zoom meeting. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.